Welcome to the Ultimate HIIT Workout. Are you ready to torch calories and sculpt those muscles? Get ready for an energizing and challenging workout that will push you to your limits.
Benefits of HIIT workouts. Before we dive into the workout, let's talk about the incredible benefits of HIIT workouts. HIIT workouts are known for their ability to torch calories. By alternating between intense bursts of exercise and short rest periods, your body continues to burn calories long after your workout is over. This means you can achieve maximum calorie burn in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional steady-state cardio exercises. In addition to torching calories, HIIT workouts are excellent for sculpting your muscles. The high-intensity exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, helping you build strength and tone your body. Whether you want to define your abs, shape your legs, or strengthen your arms, this workout has got you covered. One of the long-term benefits of HIIT workouts is that they actually boost your metabolism. The intense nature of HIIT stimulates your body to burn calories more efficiently, even at rest. This means you'll continue to reap the benefits of increased calorie burn throughout the day, helping you achieve your weight loss or weight maintenance goals. Now that you understand the amazing benefits of HIIT workouts, let's jump right into the ultimate HIIT routine that will help you torch calories and sculpt.
Exercise 1: Burpees. First up, we have the classic burpee. Begin in a standing position, then squat down, place your hands on the floor, and kick your feet back into a push-up position. Perform a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and explosively jump into the air while raising your arms overhead. Repeat for the designated number of reps or time. Exercise 2: High knees. Next, we have high knees. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and start jogging in place while driving your knees up towards your chest as high as possible. Aim for a quick and rhythmic movement, engaging your core and keeping your back straight. Challenge yourself to pick up speed and maintain an elevated heart rate throughout the exercise. Exercise 3: Mountain climbers. Now it's time for mountain climbers. Begin in a push-up position with your body in a straight line. Engage your core and bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, simulating a running motion. Keep up the pace and maintain a strong plank position as you alternate between legs. Push yourself and give it your all. Exercise 4: Squat jumps. Let's target those lower body muscles with squat jumps. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower into a squat position, then explode upwards into a jump, reaching for the ceiling. Land softly back into the squat position and immediately jump again. Keep the movement controlled and really focus on engaging those glutes and quads. Exercise 5: Plank with shoulder taps. Lastly, we have a core strengthening exercise, plank with shoulder taps. Begin in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. While keeping your hips stable, lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder, then repeat with the other hand. Focus on maintaining proper form and engage your core muscles throughout the exercise. Congratulations! You've completed the ultimate HIIT workout, where you torched calories and sculpted those muscles. Remember to stretch and cool down to aid in your recovery. Stay consistent with your HIIT workouts, keep challenging yourself, and watch as you achieve your fitness goals. See you next time.